Working on the farmhouse again. Today is June 3rd. So far I had removed these panel walls here. I removed the stud walls here for the closets. Also for the closet in here, so we can take down the ceiling plaster, which is done. So this is what it looks like right now. Big empty open space. And now I'm peeling up the bathroom floor. So the top layer is vinyl. Under that there is a layer of 1/4 inch plywood, and then this looks like another layer of linoleum, but these look like the squares, the stick down squares. And then under that also there's a 1/4 inch plywood layer, and then the original wood floor, which hopefully can be saved to be our soft floor. So that's where I am. Interestingly, there's another layer of vinyl, which it was kind of in the closet in the bathroom, so I'm assuming this is the original linoleum. And then they put the closet on, and then when they did the bathroom, I guess they did this, and then for whatever reason they added another layer of ugliness. So what I'm gonna do is clean up the floor, and then I will be able to hopefully start putting the new wall in here, the new wall for the bathroom, between the bedroom and the bathroom. Once that wall is up, then I'll feel better about taking these down here, although I don't think they're really supporting a whole lot, but to be on the safe side, I'm gonna build the wall first before I take the other wall down. That way I know it's not gonna fall on me. And then there will be a new wall right here where this dark line is. It's really hot in here, but I have to keep pressing on. So I rented my 3rd dumpster. I filled up the 2nd one they picked up today, so there's an empty one now for me to fill up again. But I think it will do. It's just the amount of stuff that's coming out of this house is way underestimated. So I'm gonna need help probably to take the bathtub out. I can probably deal with the sink and the toilet myself, and we'll see what we find behind there. But I was kind of surprised to find another fairly modern layer of vinyl. So we end up with 3 layers of vinyl and 2 layers of 1/4 inch plywood before we get to the bottom. This will be fun. Stay tuned.